Hi, I just released a new sample pack called the PepKit 1. At the core, it's the same sample content as the Producer Essentials Kit 1, which is a sample pack I did for Bitwig. But this time it's in WAV files, so you can use it in any type of a sampler or DAW. Okay, so let's take a look at the sample content. There's 19 kicks featured in this pack. So there's everything from glitch hop kicks to more trappy kicks. Then let's take a listen to the snares. There's 15 snares in this pack. Then we have 5 808 samples. It's often great to have a little bit of saturation and overdrive in your 808s because they are going to translate better to mobile phones and laptop speakers. Okay, let's listen to some of the samples in the pack. Then we have some drops and pops, perfect for future bass. Then the acoustic hi-hats. A few impact samples. And a bunch of percussive extras that you can use to spice your drum tracks. Guitar slaps. Yeah, and then we have 4 hyped toms that is great for fills. And some velocity switching if you're into that kind of drum sampling. Okay, so let's take a look at the PepKit 1 preset, which comes as a bonus to this pack. So here we have the PepKit 1 in Alchemy. As you can see, you can select kicks with this macro knob, and you can select snares with the second knob down here. And then you also have a third macro for controlling the release of the hi-hat. Okay, so let's switch between the kits and hear how they sound. And if you want some more brightness to the snares, you can always use this macro called the Snare Bright, which will bring in this noise layer to the snare. Yeah, so that's a very cool way to program your drums and be able to switch between different kicks and snares in real time while you are playing back some MIDI file. So now, if you want to check out the PepKit 1 and the Alchemy preset with the PepKit, go to the link in the description or press the link. There should be a button up here. Yeah, so that's a little introduction to the PepKit 1 drum samples. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, press the like button, write some comment in the comments field, and I see you in the next video. Bye.